guys.
Get adjusted here.
You are going to hear my daughter in the background. So today my lighting's kind of off. I'm in my office. This is where I keep all my tropical plants, as you can tell, and what I have said from past videos. I'm hoping you can see me. Hopefully. So I got a plant in the mail today. Now it's not going to be anything spectacular or anything that nobody has. This isn't a rare plant. But I was interested in getting it because I love the looks of this plant. It's only one today, but I thought I would share this unboxing. This is from a company I am really liking a lot. It is called the House of Plants, I believe. That's not on the front of that one, but I'll show you. I'm in the box. Their boxes are super easy to open. Like this. Super nice. I don't see any soil yet. But this company is called, oh yeah, I found soil now. Everything Houseplants. And it's the House of Plant shop. They are also on Amazon. They are on Etsy. And I don't know of any other shop. They may have their own website. I've never been on it. But every single time that I have ordered from them, I have been very pleased with their packaging, with the shape the plants come into. I've never had an issue with them. I'm not affiliated with them, so I don't want you guys to think that. But I would like to show you just my invoice. Here's a card. And it says the name of the plant on it. Perfect. It gives a little tiny care instruction, but I already have several of these care guides that I have from them. So I will be reading, even though I can't see you very well. If you missed that in some of my other videos, I am partially blind. And it's not just I can't see very well, I am legit, like partially blind. So that is why I read funny. There is a little bit of soil. Actually, I lied. There's a lot. I'm in. This is wrapped kind of funny.
It's kind of wrapped funny.
Hopefully I didn't get too much soil on the floor. This is wrapped really weird. There's soil everywhere. Okay, hold on. Okay. That's kind of weird. They have something around this plant, like a burlap, like protective thing. I mean, there's still a lot of soil in here, so it looks beautiful. This is really nice shape. It came with this around the base. Now, I prefer when they wrap it up in kind of like a toilet paper or like some dish. Oh my word, Emily. Do you know what they're called? Paper towels. There we go. Okay. So I like it when they wrap paper towels around it and then kind of put plastic. I don't know. I think it works better because with this guy, I don't know, it's probably because of shipping. It kind of came out everywhere more than what my syngoniums came like, because a lot of my syngoniums came from the House of Plants. But he's in pretty good shape. I gotta replace a little bit of soil. A lot of you who see this will know what this plant is. This is a Schefflera, which is also known as an umbrella tree, or plant, I'm sorry. It's a very common house plant. It can take direct sunlight. It also does well in medium light, but it really likes high light. Now, can I give that to this plant? I don't know, we'll see. It never said anything about humidity, but I will read you this guy really fast and just go over what the care directions are for this plant if you're interested in it at all. So it says Schefflera. Lighting. Schefflera is an easy to grow houseplant that does best in high light, but will usually grow fine in medium light. It can tolerate direct sun on its leaves indoors, even in hot summer climates. That was for the lighting. This is for watering. Water Schefflera when the top of the potting mix dries out. Its tolerance of dry soil is one of the factors that has made it a popular indoor plant for so long. Temperatures. Schefflera houseplant prefers temperatures between 65 degrees and 80 degrees. They do not do well in temperatures below 55 degrees. Keep Scheffleras away from cold drafts and heaters, which is typical for most plants. I wish it would say what kind of potting mixtures or soils they do good in, but that is what it also comes with. I love everything in here is recyclable. Nothing is plastic. Beautiful packaging. There was a little bit more soil that was dropped out this last time, but this is my umbrella tree. And like always, I will link everything down below and I will show you a nice close-up. Thank you all for watching. God bless.